Today, I'm going to break down something nobody really tells you about, and it's probably why you're still confused about how much YouTube actually pays. We are diving deep into CPM and RPM and what those numbers really or actually means for your YouTube income. Trust me, if you stay until the end of this video, you are going to understand how to boost your earnings even if your channel is just starting. Welcome to my channel where we talk about YouTube monetization, YouTube growth, and how to make money online. I have a question for you guys. Have you ever seen two YouTubers with the same views but making widely different money? Like one person makes $5 while the other person makes $500 for almost the same view. It sounds crazy, right? Well, it all comes down to CPM and RPM. But here is the thing. CPM is not what you earn. Let's break it down step by step on how you're going to understand it further. So let's talk about CPM now. CPM means cost per million, which basically means how much advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views. For example, if your CPM is $10, that means advertisers are paying $10 for every 1,000 ad impression on your videos. But here is the thing, that $10 is not all yours. It's not all yours. Don't rejoice yet. Yes, because YouTube will take its own cut, and it's usually around 45% of the money. Then the rest of the 55% goes to your pocket. So you are not going to pocket everything. You're not going to take. Don't mind me. Don't mind me, because the first time I saw this, I was thinking like, hey God, oh, the money is big. Until it dawned on me that I'm not the owner of all the money. So the 45% is for YouTube, and the rest of the 55% goes to your pocket. So that is how CPM works. So let us also talk about RPM now, and this is actually where the magic happens. Yes, RPM stands for revenue per million, which shows how much you actually make per 1,000 views after YouTube takes their own share. Yeah, for example, that $10 you get from your CPM, let's say your CPM is $10, then after YouTube might have cut their own, your money might be $5.50. Yeah, so RPM is the real money you want to focus on. It's just like looking at your paycheck instead of just your boss's promise. I know you might be wondering why two people that are doing video, one person, maybe the person is talking about, or the channel is all about finance, and the CPM is like $25 per 1,000 views, and the other person that is talking, the channel is all about gaming, barely makes $2 as CPM. It's because CPM depends on many factors. Number one factor is it depends on the niche you choose. Second, it depends on the location where your audience are coming from. Then third, it depends on the time of the year your video were posted. So examples of channels that have, or some niches that have high CPM are finance, business, and investment. Those ones, they have high CPM, and many more that I cannot be able to list now. And some channels that have low CPM, like entertainment channel or niche, vlogging, gaming. All these ones, they have low CPM naturally. So if you go for the ones with higher CPM, that means your channel will be, or you're going to earn more. Why, if you go for the one with low CPM, obviously your income will be low. Factor that will determine if your CPM will be high or low is depending on where your audience are coming from. I mean the country where your main audience, people that watch your video, where they live. Somewhere like in USA, Canada, or UK. If your audience are coming from these three places, obviously your CPM will be high. But people that live in other countries, obviously their CPM is always low, because advertisers are willing to pay big money to places that they know that they will have their big customers. So that is it. So if you want to make more money per views, here are the things you have to do. Number one, you have to choose high CPM topics like finance, business tips, and tech, and many other niches that I cannot be mentioning now. All those ones, they have high CPM. The another thing is to choose or to make videos that are from 8 minutes video plus. so you can be able to add multiple ads break. Then another one is to target premium audience, that is people that live in US, UK, Canada. Those people, if they watch your videos, your CPM will be more, or it will be high. So another one is to always post around, or will I say, yeah, you have to be posting always, but you have to post more around between October to December, because I noticed that, or I learned from somewhere, I read it from somewhere, that advertisers, they pay heavily or they pay more during holiday. So you post steady between October and December. Those that's the time advertisers pay heavily. Not that you will not be posting on your channel, but during this period you don't have to joke about it if you really want to make money. So I believe you have learned one or two things about CPM and RPM, the difference between the CPM and the RPM, and what they are all about. So it's not just about getting millions of views, just like my former niche, my mukbang niche. I might get like 1,000 views or 900 views or 800, or depending, but the CPM will be as low as. But since I changed to this particular niche now, I saw the difference and I was like, why did I even go for mukbang? Why did I even start in the first place? So you have to go for a niche that pays higher if you really want to make money. That is, you want to combine your passion with money, just like I said, or I made mention of in my last video. So it's not all about getting millions of views, it's all about getting the right view at the right time with the right niche. That's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and see you guys in my next video. Ciao.